Terriamap is a map application used to display geographic data including services of GeoPlatform NGDAs. Utilizing terria.js, Terriamap enables users to search, view, and explore catalogs of geographic files and services. To access Terriamap, click on the Apps button at the top of the GeoPlatform homepage and Explore Now on the Apps page. Terriamap runs in the browser, so it will take a few moments to load. Once loaded, click on the Explore Map Data button, and here you will see a few different catalogs available. First one, NGDA theme data, then Federal Geospatial data, and the AmeriGeos catalog. As an example, I'll add in a layer from the NGDA theme data catalog. Under Geology, I'll select the raster tiles for Outer Continental Shelf oil and natural gas wells. And once it's selected, you'll see a preview of the data along with a description and a service URL. So I'll click Add to the Map, and our data is added to the map. And we can go back to the Explore Map Data button to continue building out our map. You can also search each of these catalogs. And you can also add in My Data, which includes local file-based data and a wide variety of different formats are supported here, from GeoJSON to shapefile. You can also add in service URLs. And again, there's quite a list of different supported service URLs here. You can also configure your map a little bit further with different base maps and toggling between 3D and 2D map views. There's also the ability to create stories. And there's a nice tutorial here for creating a story on this Getting Started button. And you can also share and print your map. So this URL that's created here will be shareable to other users. And you can also print. As it says here, you can open a printable version of the map. And lastly, there's a overview of what I discussed on the demos page. If you go back to the GeoPlatform homepage, click Demos, and then filter on Terriamap, you'll see this Terriamap example, which outlines what I've discussed in a little further detail. And that's Terriamap for GeoPlatform. Thanks for watching.